go. So back when I was in 12th grade, I was in theater arts, and the local community theater in Emerald, Texas had the South Pacific. And I remember this thing, Bloody Mary's chewing betel nuts. Bloody Mary's chewing betel nuts. Dun, 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 dun. It's an old 1950s movie. And I always wanted to taste what betel nuts were like. And she had like orange teeth. And this lady, this is Bloody Mary in China. She's got blood red orange teeth. Well, yao.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that. Yeah. Okay. So it turns your teeth orange, so. But it's supposed to be kind of like maybe a nicotine. So just chew, right?
Okay.
Well, it's very bitter. It's very bitter. Doesn't have a very good taste at all. I haven't got a buzz yet, but this is supposed to give you a buzz, like a cigarette or chewing tobacco.
好，谢谢。他好像吃不来。